Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 5th, and this is my recap of the top of videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure to check out the video that I made first thing this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound definitely did continue down pretty nicely today. We had a nice little end of an ABC crescent first thing this morning. Big push down. I actually think this 38% is not going to hold. I actually think it's going to go down to at least a 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So I am definitely still looking for shorts. I do suspect that this may turn into a little bit of a bigger pullback, maybe something like this. But if I see three waves up, some sort of an ABC, WXY, or maybe some sort of a flat pattern, then I see a nice bearish engulfing move to the downside with a break of structure, especially. I definitely am going to continue to look for shorts. Higher time frames are definitely still leading me to believe that the trend is down and that the trend is most likely not over. So until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, I am for sure going to continue to look for shorts at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.